Hello guys, today we'll be talking on calculus. Firstly, let's define calculus. Calculus is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of change of rate, and it uses derivatives and integrals. Derivatives, let's say the derivatives are products of differentiation, denoted as f prime, or integral of f. You would have seen these two terms being used when calculating calculus. So the two main points in calculus is differentiation and integration. Let's talk about differentiation. Differentiation is like the breaking down of a complex, how would I put it, in general terms, it means breaking down of complex, let's say molecules or numbers or functions. I think that's the right word, function. Breaking down of complex functions, right? For integration is the building up of small parts to make a bigger function. You understand? So this is just the aim of calculus. Most times when you just know how to differentiate and integrate, I think your problem is 60% solved in calculus. We'll be solving some examples in the videos that I would be pushing out soon. Thank you. Just have a look at differentiation and integration. Learning cannot take place with just your tutor teaching you what he knows. You have to make some research. Please do well to subscribe.